morning, guys. Today I'm going to Virginia. I'm gonna drive 3.5 hours to Virginia and gonna go to a videographer, you know, do my videographer thing, and bring you guys along. So what I do is I have all of this stuff to bring. So tripod, bag, 2 cases, backpack. So I leave like this stuff in the tripod downstairs in the lobby, and then I go to Enterprise, pick up my car, come back, load up my car. It's a whole process, because like I'm not going to walk down the streets of Philly with all of this gear on me. Like that just seems like a bad idea. So we're gonna go run back and forth because that's what we gotta do. And then we'll be on the road. I put on some show for Rose. Maybe she doesn't like bugs. This walk to Enterprise kills me every time. I just hate it. And there's no other good way. I mean, unless I bring like my penny board, but if I fall, I have 2 laptops in my bag. At least the city is beautiful. All right, we have got ourselves the car. Let's go. All right, my friends, we are good to go. Everything is set. Let's go. Okay, so I got in my room early. Thanks, Hampton. But I need to go grocery shopping too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my bag in my room, and then, cause I won't need it, check out my room and then go ahead and get some supplies, some snacks. Top floor lifestyle. Ooh, this elevator kind of doesn't sound very safe. Ooh. Nice. Oh, the door slammed. All right. Check this out. All right, so we got the bathroom. Yeah, a regular bathroom. Nice towels, you know, ready to go. All right, then we got the table, bed. That's for where my clothes are going. 2 beds. 2 beds, not 1, but 2. Pretty nice. All right. So, now that I've put my bag down, yeah, I don't really need to get anything else out of it right now. So I'm going to put in directions to a food place, get some snacks. I need to eat something. All right, I grabbed the essentials. I got some dried fruit this time because Lindell has dried fruit. So mango, or apricots, these granola bars, and obviously bagels. And I got a little mango sparkling seltzer, just cause I want to feel a little fancy. Anyways, time to go back. I'm gonna go back to my room and rest because I just drove through so much traffic and it stressed me out. So I'm just gonna like unwind for a second and then get it together. Feels good to just relax, you know? Something that I always consciously do is whenever I'm at a hotel or traveling on the road, big road trip, moving, anything like that, whatever hotel I'm in, whether that be a Super 8 or a Hampton or a Hilton, I always make a conscious effort to park where the security cameras are. Whether I have a rental car or my own car, because if something happens and they don't have proof of anything, it's on you. So, you know, even if you have like valuable stuff in your car, which I strongly recommend you don't, or like put that in your trunk or something, but still park it where a security camera is, because you'll get a lot more peace from that traveling tip. Just be aware, don't be stupid, you know? Oh. Oh! That's how I feel after driving. Just all that stress and pressure, just done. I'm stressed. I really am stressed. Every time, stressed. Okay, real quick, I want to talk about staying organized on the road. So it's very hard to stay organized and have your stuff together on the road. So what I do is I have a completely different setup schedule. So I use Notion, and I basically do it for budgets, and I do it for travel planning. So basically I travel, I do this, and I have like a packing list, and I go through all the things that I need to have. Then I go through toiletries, electronics, travel documents, things like that. Like I have a set aside travel planner, and then I also have a weekly plan, and obviously I have budgets and everything set in there as well. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how I like to stay organized and know that I make sure that I pack everything, because it's every single weekend that I'm coming out to a new place, and you know, I'm unpacking, then I'm repacking. So making sure that I have the stuff that I need is extremely important, and it's something that I really take high priority. And so I definitely have a set aside list to go over and double check and triple check that I have everything that I need to have. I do that for work, and I do that for personal. So all of my work things, separate list. All of my personal things was the list that I just showed you, all the traveling things. That's basically every travel experience I have is going through that checklist. Again, for me, for my brain, lists work. So by going through all different kinds of lists, double checking that I have everything, gives me a sense of safety and comfort, and knowing that I'm gonna be okay and I'm gonna have everything that I need to have in order to have a successful trip. So that's one way that I kind of stay organized, is just a bunch of lists as reminders. And we are off. So I can do this like that. Just keep coming off. Let's get this to Okay, we're at the hotel room. I had so many issues with my event. My audio crashed. My capture system crashed. I had to put the whole event on like longer than for like 30 minutes. Now I just hope and pray that my uploading goes to plan.